Okay, next third exercise, example 3. So P has only son T. So P and T are father and son. So P and T are father and son. Okay. Next, U is a daughter of T. So U is the daughter of T, means T's daughter is U. T's daughter is U. Okay. And V is the only daughter of U. So V is the only daughter of U. So V is the only daughter of U, means V is the daughter of U. So they are daughters and mother and daughter. Okay. Next, find how T is related to V. So how T is related to V. So listen here carefully. So P is a father and P's son is T. So T's son is U, means so P will be the grandfather. So grandfather. Okay. So next V is daughter of U, means so what is the relationship between the P and V? They both are so V is the great granddaughter of P. So V is the great granddaughter of P. Okay. So what is the relationship between the P and V is? So V is the great granddaughter of P. Let me tell you one more time. I know it will be a little more tough to get understandment at the very first thing. I knew it. I will tell you one more time. Please read the question carefully. So P has only son T. So P and T are father and son. Okay. So P and T. So P is a father. So T is the son. U is a daughter of T. So U is a daughter of T, means U is a daughter of T, means T and U are father and daughter, isn't it? Father and daughter. Next, V is the only daughter of U. So U and V are mother and daughter. Find how T is related to V. So find how T is related to V, means T and V are so V is the granddaughter of T. Okay. So how is V is related to P? So V is a great granddaughter of P. Okay. Next question. Sorry, just put it. How T is related to V, means V is granddaughter of T. Okay. So next example 4. Deepika is sister of Rakesh, Reema. Okay. So Deepika is sister of Rakesh. Reema is sister of Anil. So Deepika's sister. So Rakesh is a brother and Deepika is his sister. Reema is her Anil is a brother. Anil's sister is Reema. So Rakesh is son of Reema, means what is the meaning? So Deepika and Rakesh are brothers and sisters. The Reema is the mothers of Deepika and Rakesh. So Reema is the mother of Deepika and Rakesh. Okay, next question. Rakesh is son of Reema. So Rakesh is Reema is sister of Anil. Anil means Reema's brother is Anil. Okay, Reema's brother is Anil. Next, Rakesh is son of Reema, isn't it? We have just find it out. find how is Deepika related to Reema. So how Deepika is related to Reema? They are mother and daughter. Very easy, but they have given a one extra relationship and they making you to get confused. Okay, don't get confused. Listen it carefully. Deepika is sister of Rakesh and Reema. Okay, Deepika is sister of Rakesh, means Deepika and Rakesh are brother and sister. Rakesh is a brother and Deepika is a sister. You just come to the point. Reema is sister of Anil. So sister of Anil means Reema is a one character. So his brother name is Anil. Rakesh is son of Reema. So Rakesh is son of Reema means both Deepika and Rakesh are brothers and sisters. So both the Deepika and Rakesh mother is Reema. So how the Deepika is related to Reema means they are both mother and daughter. Okay. So next question, example 5. T is son of P. Okay, just listen it. T is son of P. S is son of Q. So listen, I'm just writing it here. T is son of P. P's son is T. P's son is T. Next, S is son of Q. So S is son of Q means Q's son is S. Okay. Next, T is married to R. So we have a T. T is married to R. So they both are husband and wife. Isn't it? They both T and R are husband and wife. Okay. Next, R is Q's daughter. R is Q's daughter means R is Q's daughter. So then what is the meaning? So P's son is a T. So T married the Q's daughter R. Okay, don't get confused. Next, U is son of S. So U is son of S means yes son is U. Yes son is U. Okay. Okay. Next, find how S is related to T. So how S is related to T means, just listen it carefully. P is a father. P father have a T son. So T married Q's daughter R. So Q have a both son, S and V. So okay, so Q have a both the son S and U. Okay. So Q's daughter is R. Listen it carefully. Q's daughter is R. Q's daughter is R. So Q have a two son and one daughter, isn't it? So Q have a two son and one daughter. So just given the R is a Q's daughter means R is a Q's daughter. So Q have a two son. R and U are two son and S and U are two son. Okay, for your clear view I have written here, just read it carefully. T and P are father and son. Okay, so P married R. Who is R? Q's daughter is R. Okay, next, Q have a two sons. They have written as T and U are sons. So Q have a T and U both are sons and R is a daughter. How the P is related to? Find how S is related to okay. How S is related to T means, so T is a daughter-in-law. So daughter-in-law son. Who is daughter-in-law son means he also a son-in-law. Okay, sorry. He is also a son. Okay, he is also a son. So answer will be the son. So what is the relationship between the P and S means they both are brother-in-law because the S is a brother of R. So both are brother-in-law. Okay, so T also they have a same relationship between the uncle. So T will be the uncle for S. Okay, so these are the relationship between the T and S. So once you make it as a diagram, then only you can get to know about what is the relationship between the both. Okay, so once again I am telling you, To know about the relation means you want to very clear about each and every relations and how you want to call it. So you want to know about the basic relations and how you want to call it. And the next thing you want to remember means you want to read the question carefully, because every answer lies in the questions, isn't it? So you want to read the every question it's carefully, and you want to make it as a diagrammatical form. Then after diagrammatical form you come to understand what is the relationship. Okay, if you keep on doing, then it will be easy to answer it.